Imagine a world where a 3-hour drive shrinks to just 20 minutes, where trains glide over the ocean, and robots patrol nuclear plants. This isn't science fiction. It is the reality of China's infrastructure revolution happening right now. Across the country, engineers are pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. They are not just building bigger, they are building smarter. From AI-powered drills that think for themselves to wind blades as long as football fields, the scale of progress is breathtaking. It is bold, it is ambitious, and it is transforming daily life. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on these cutting-edge breakthroughs. Deep inside the rugged Tianshan Mountains, a massive rock wall finally gave way. Construction teams just finished the drilling phase of the Tianshan Shengli Tunnel. This achievement officially makes it the longest expressway tunnel on the entire planet. The tunnel stretches an astonishing 22 kilometers straight through the mountain range in the Xinjiang-Uyghur Autonomous Region. This colossal project is a shining example of China's infrastructure ambition. It will completely change how people travel across this vast area. Right now, driving from the northern part of Xinjiang to the southern part takes a tedious 3 hours. The road is long and winding, but once this tunnel opens, that same trip will take a mere 20 minutes. Think about that. A 3-hour journey reduced to the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. This is not just about saving time, though. It is about boosting economic connectivity in a major way. Faster travel means goods can move quicker. Businesses can trade more easily. Families can visit each other more often. It also opens up vital trade pathways with neighboring countries across international borders. This monumental achievement redefines domestic transportation. It shows what modern engineering can accomplish when vision meets hard work. The workers faced extreme conditions. The terrain was unforgiving, yet they pushed through. They used advanced drilling techniques and smart planning. Every meter of that tunnel required precision and patience. Now, the structure stands as a testament to human will. It is a bold statement of infrastructure progress. It proves that no mountain is too high and no distance is too far when a nation commits to building a better future. This tunnel is more than a hole in a mountain. It is a lifeline. It is a symbol of progress, and it is ready to change the lives of millions of people who live in this region. Beneath the waters of Jiaozhou Bay, a massive construction milestone is now complete. The main shield tunneling for the world's longest undersea highway is finished. To conquer this 3,258-meter expanse, workers used a giant 1563-meter diameter machine. They combined smart slag removal with automated mud checks to fix tough challenges like tool wear. This clever integration ensured a leak-proof structure. This corridor is a true testament to infrastructure progress. It shows how modern engineering can conquer the ocean's depths with skill and bold innovation. The Hangzhou Bay Cross-Sea Railway Bridge is rising fast. Workers just finished its towering 200-meter main pillars. This ambitious project will stretch 29.2 kilometers across the water. It will become the world's longest high-speed over-water rail bridge. Soon, bullet trains will zoom at 350 kilometers per hour over the sea. This will connect the economic hubs of the Yangtze River Delta. It is a breathtaking example of China's infrastructure vision, blending architectural vision with practical speed improvements for millions of travelers. Under the busy streets of Shanghai, something truly smart is happening. Engineers are extending Metro Line 13 using an AI tunnel boring machine. This mega drill dug a tunnel just 2 meters below a major highway. It was the first big test of the Digital Intelligence Shield 2 system. The machine tunneled for over 300 meters without any human help. It installed structural rings and excavated soil all by itself. Shanghai's soft, muddy ground usually needs expert operators to manage. but this AI system adjusts to the soil conditions automatically in real time. This is a huge leap for technological breakthroughs in construction. For years, China had to buy this kind of technology from other countries. Now, after years of hard work, domestic innovation has made China a global leader in this field. They have led global production for 8 years in a row. The new AI systems are already being used on transit projects in Singapore and Macau. This shows how modern engineering is becoming smarter and more independent every single day. The San'ao nuclear power plant in Zhejiang is starting a new era of energy management. It is using cutting-edge smart technology to run its operations with more precision than ever before. The heart of this system is a domestic digital control platform called Firmiz. This system connects a massive network of 60,000 pieces of equipment through miles of cabling. From a central room, operators can manage power generation with incredible accuracy. But the innovation does not stop with software. The plant also uses special robotic dogs to patrol its substations. These mechanical canines use thermal imaging cameras to scan for temperature changes. They can detect small irregularities that human inspectors might easily miss. This facility is also historic because it is the first nuclear project in China to invite private investment. It represents a major milestone in industrial modernization. This is a clear example of how advanced robotics and intelligent control systems are redefining safety standards. By combining smart digital tools with physical automation, they are setting a new benchmark for operational performance in global power infrastructure. This is infrastructure progress with a brain. A massive upgrade is coming to the world beneath our feet. As part of its new 5-year plan, a huge investment is being made in urban pipelines. The nation plans to spend over $700 billion to renovate and expand its underground network. This network is already the largest in the world, stretching 3.9 million kilometers. The project will upgrade about 770,000 kilometers of aging pipes. Half of that total will get deep-reaching renovations. Authorities have already guided thousands of cities to conduct surveys and set new technical standards for water, sewage, and gas. This big push shows a major commitment to lifeline safety and utility efficiency. It is a strategic move to fortify China's infrastructure against future challenges and ensure cities run smoothly and safely for everyone. Shanghai has just launched a truly groundbreaking machine. It is called the Dongjin, and it is the world's first dual-mode quasi-rectangular shield tunneling machine. This technological marvel is designed for the western extension of Shanghai Metro Line 12. It cleverly combines pipe jacking and shield boring functions into one powerful unit. By using a trenchless excavation method, it reduces disruption to the busy city above. It also makes better use of underground space. This new machine fills a critical gap in urban construction. It offers a safer and more versatile way to navigate complex city centers and sensitive infrastructure. This is a major step forward for urban transit projects. As the Dongjin starts its work, it marks a new chapter for modern engineering. It shows how creative thinking can solve old problems in new and exciting ways. A giant shipment has just set sail from Fuzhou Port. 8 massive wind turbine blades are heading to Europe. Each blade measures a staggering 107 meters in length. That is longer than a football field. They were made at a factory in Fujian and are built for next-generation offshore wind turbines that produce 12 to 16 megawatts of power. These blades are engineered to be both incredibly strong and lightweight. They also boast impressive typhoon resistance, making them reliable in harsh ocean storms. This shipment highlights the booming renewable energy sector in the region. Since 2022, this industry has exported offshore wind blades worth over $284 million. This thriving green energy market is a key part of infrastructure progress. It shows how China's infrastructure is not just about concrete and steel, but also about building a cleaner, more sustainable future for the entire world. The Qinghai-Xizang Railway is more than a train track. It is a powerful symbol of balance. This railway is the highest and longest plateau railroad in the world. Yet, it was built with a deep respect for the environment. Engineers included 33 dedicated migration corridors in its design. These passages protect the natural routes of local wildlife. Animals like the Tibetan antelope can now cross safely without fear. Instead of blocking their path, the railway allows them to pass beneath the tracks. They can even find shade and shelter under the bridges in the hot sun. This thoughtful design shows that modern engineering does not have to harm nature. It can actually help it. Many engineers and conservationists work together to make this vision a reality. Some dedicated their entire careers to this idea of harmony. Their hard work paid off. Today, this railway is celebrated worldwide as a model for sustainable development. It proves that massive infrastructure and delicate ecosystems can coexist beautifully. It stands as a global example for other nations to follow. This is a story of progress without destruction. It is a story of building for the future while protecting what we have now. The railway has transformed from a potential barrier into a bridge between modern life and the wild. It shows that with careful planning and a caring heart, we can achieve great things without sacrificing the natural world. This is the true meaning of infrastructure progress done right.